to the baddest bitches in Miami. Stop playing. They not one of those.
Hey guys, so we're on the strip. We're on the beach.
And make her say my name, cause that's how she wanted it.
Y'all hear what we listening to? Country music. Cause I got a country ass friend. It's good for the soul, okay? I ain't gonna lie, it sounds good. I like the lyrics. Anyways, I don't want to get copywritten, so we're gonna go downstairs once again. Got my laptop. Since I'm like one of the first ones ready, as usual, I'm going to just watch some vlogs. Yeah, so much later in the day, a lot happened. Went to go see some family members, and my aunt gave me and my sister some money, so I'm really excited about that. She always looking out. Thank you, auntie. What are we doing? We about to go to the strip. I don't really like my outfit, that's why I want to show you guys. I'm not gonna show you guys, but I need to think smarter when it comes to editing and the YouTube stuff. So what I need to do is, excuse me, what I need to do is vlog, drop it to my computer, and then edit, you know. I think that would be so much better, like, you know, vlog, airdrop it to the computer, and edit at the same time, so that I can go through it, and if I don't like something, I could just do it over. I think that's how other vloggers do it, and I need to start thinking it smarter and not harder. I feel like I'm working hard, and I have vlogs on top of vlogs, and like I do weekly vlogs, I do daily vlogs, and I just have them waiting to be posted on YouTube. It's just on top of each other, if you get what I'm saying. I feel like it's cluttered, and it is hot in this house. Oh, is the AC even on? Anyways, guys, I don't know what we're doing. Hopefully we do something cute and calm. I think we're gonna go to the beach, walk by the beach. We're gonna go to South Beach Strip. We are in Briarwood. They do have a strip in Briarwood also, but we're not gonna go to that strip because that strip seems like it's for the white people. Sorry, like it's a lot of, like, you know, Caucasian people. We want to do the South Beach strip. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Hey guys, so we're on the strip. My phone is getting better. A little bit. The line's not there like that anymore. Even the bus driver honking us, y'all. We look so cute. Everybody just looks so cute. Like, everybody just looks so cute. It's a vibe. And it is hot today. Like, I decided to pick up the camera because it's quiet over here. Everywhere else is extremely loud. Like, the music. Oh, they have a place called Taco. And it's probably discounted. Ew, I hate tacos. You guys want to get tacos?
Tequila Tuesday.
I could do Tequila Tuesday.
To suck my stomach in. Oh my god.
Yo, I'm just trying to open this thing. Hold on a second. I can't even see.
The sun is shining. Like, it's a beautiful day. It feels good. Oh, everybody stopped. Y'all, we stopped at a store real quick because she looking for a bathing suit cover up. She got hers a little dirty. And what was I gonna say? Somebody just told me I look like JT. Do I look like JT? Do I look like JT, y'all? I do not look like JT. Oh, JT look like a bird. Oh my god, JT look like a bird. Like, her nose, like, she's pretty, don't get me wrong, but like, she look like a bird.
Oh, thick JT.
Thick JT. Cause she thick. What y'all think? Do I look like JT to you? She found one. It's cute or whatever. Oh, sorry. That is cute though. We got a liquor store, y'all. Bottle girl. We should get the brown Casamigo. That's always smooth.
Oh, $70?
Why the fuck is it? No. Why is it $70 though? We could get it though. Let's get it. We only got like a day left.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
Hey guys, we just got to the beach. We're taking off our sandals. It's lit. It's lit. Okay. Ooh.
Oh my god. My part? We're on the beach.
Yes. Bad things. Bad things.
So good?
What do you think?
It's lit. Can you want food like that? I bet you.
Are y'all ready to freaking go? Like, there's a party over there and nothing over here.
There's mad people over there, y'all. Looking like spring break over there. Wait. Let me show y'all. Jennifer about to do a video. Oh, y'all can't see, but we're about to go over there. It's mad people over there. Okay, you see them now. It's mad people crowded up, and I can hear music.
The flash's not on?
I'm scared. I have anxiety. I don't really like people like that.
I'm ready to the baddest bitches in Miami. Stop playing. They not one of them. Stop playing. Y'all the ones, not the two baddest bitches in Miami. What? Oh, stop playing with them. Stop playing.
That's a pie. I can't believe we're in it too.
Oh, you guys. Oh, my
God. You guys. Wow, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. You guys look great. We don't know. That's crazy. Everything is closed. I'm so sad. It's over.
Yeah, it's clip. It's clip.
That's
y'all are so bad.
Oh wow. So you too? Miami. Nice.
You're from New York?
Yeah. Queens.
Okay.
Where you guys?
We just left.
Where you from?
Montreal.
Montreal. Oh, Canada.
Actually,
My sister live in Canada. That's lit.
I have my hookah, so
That's Canada. Yeah.
It's not, but
I know they're closed.
yeah, it's like dark.
Yeah. Can't even step outside.
Yeah,
Like
we
it's
don't
crazy.
want to stop.
He's from
We're good
Montreal. Oh, really? That's crazy.
Y'all from Canada too?
No, I said Brooklyn because I know you're from Brooklyn.
I'm from Brooklyn. Bulls, right. Brooklyn, period.
I'm feeling to say Brooklyn.
What part of Brooklyn you from?
No, I'm from Queens.
Yeah. Anyway. I'm playing.
That's all they
That means she was born raised. Listen, if you from New York and you from Queens, you was born raised. Like, that means you drove at like 15.
I'm not rich. What am I saying? Yes, speaking into existence, you know.
So what y'all gonna do? Y'all know?
We don't know. We trying to live the best life right now.
Give me all of
What are you guys doing? The one time you're not showing your tats.
Oh, let me see
She
that.
tatted up.
This is not tight. I can't even lift this.
She is tatted up. Tatted up. You look like a tattoo artist.
Tag me.
I am. Oh my god.
Give me a hug. It was nice meeting y'all. Nice meeting
You guys' vibe is on point. I love it.
Yo, have a great time out here. Bye.
Bye guys. Oh my gosh!
I'm not nice.
Oh my god, only a day.
I ain't seen nothing like that.
Niggas said
Nah, he always takes even his videos.
No, Justin always have a
Yeah, he's
vibe.
mad hype.
He always have a vibe. I knew I would run into him one day.
I saw him on J Street one time. Took like 5 years ago, J Street.
That's crazy. Oh, this man walked up to us and trying to do a headstand. This is crazy.
Oh, I thought you were dude.
You want to do a headstand? You're tall,
That's 6 or 7.
How long? How long can you go for? How long can you go for?
You got me excited. I can do it for a long time.
Oh no. Woo, shake your booty, somebody. Okay. Okay.
Whatever you can send me the
Well, we
video.
met this guy also. What's your name again?
Marlene, it's kinda.
Yeah, what's your Instagram?
Me? How are you?
so tall.
I'm yeah, I know I'm 6 or 7. My name's Kyle Cardoza. How are you? Oh yeah, I'm talking to a camera. So I'm very proper, guys. I apologize. How are you? I'm talking to no one. I'm
Popping
talking
your
to
head.
no one.